It's an interesting thing, that why sleep study is being done and who should be subjected to it. It is very, very important for us to understand anybody who has a prolonged symptoms of sleep disorders, maybe insomnia, maybe snoring, maybe stoppages of breath, maybe acidity during sleep, or getting up for urination again and again in the night during sleep, then daytime sleepiness, tiredness, exhaustion, or maybe the patient is not able to sleep, say, for a very, very long period, and if it has a broken sleep architecture and everything,